Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You sign in first because Classroom links to your Google account. This ensures grades and materials save correctly. Once signed in, open Classroom. Google, Com, or the mobile app, make sure you're using the intended school or personal account. Next, locate the blue plus button on desktop its top right, on mobile its bottom right. Click or tap it and select Join Class. At this stage, you're ready to enter the class code, which your teacher provides. So proceed. Now you enter the class code into the Join Class field. Type it carefully because characters like O and 0 or I and L can look similar. Once you paste or type the code, Classroom shows a preview with the class name, teacher, and section. Verify those details so you join the correct course. Then click or tap Join. Classroom will load the class stream, classwork, and people list. If it takes more than a few seconds, do not refresh repeatedly. Let it finish loading. After joining, check the classwork and people tabs to confirm you're enrolled and see assignments. This verifies successful connection. If the code doesn't work, first re-enter it exactly, then ask the teacher to confirm the code or issue a new one. Codes can expire or be typed incorrectly. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or try a different browser or the mobile app, and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. These steps resolve most access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.